Hey, if you wonder how you can charge your Galaxy A35 5G by using second smartphone, so take a look. All you have to do is just to get the higher battery level on this second device. So take a look. On my Pixel 7 Pro, I've got the 65% of the battery. Let me just catch focus. There we are. This is the 65, but on my A35 I've got 43. So that's how I can actually recharge. I have to plug the USB-C cable into my Pixel, and this USB-C cable I have to plug straight into my USB-C port in the A35. And now, as you can see, I've got this charging information, and my A35 5G is charging. It's actually taking the battery from my Pixel 7 Pro, and you don't have to actually use any special cable. This is actually the short cable from my USB hub. So it's even not dedicated cable into the smartphones, but it actually works pretty well. So yeah, this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.